Howdy y'all, it's TJ the Bearded Cowboy. I'm here at Six Flags over in Texas. Today is Sunday the 19th, 2026. I am up here on the oil derrick and I want to take you guys around so that you can see the latest construction update for Tormenta Giga Coaster. Now I'm not sure when it's going to be open, but the rumor has it it's going to be open sometime in May, maybe the middle of May or the end of May. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this camera around and we're going to check out Tormenta from up the top of oil derrick. Alright you guys, we're looking at the latest construction update of Tormenta. It is looking fantastic from up here, from the oil derrick. I thought it'd be a great view to see it from up here. They've really done a lot of construction up here on Tormenta. And now you can see down below they have the loading station right there. It has such a great looking roof. It's in the Spanish ways that they're building right now, and they're going to be building Cocina Abuela, which is a new Spanish restaurant which I can't wait to try out. I love Spanish food and I know it's going to be really good. But right now you can see other stuff up here. It is just fantastic to get this view of Tormenta. Move it back just a little bit. It is looking really fantastic. We'll stand here for a couple more minutes. We'll just admire Tormenta from up here. Now I'm getting as close as I can because I have a new camera and I'm trying to learn how to use it. As you can tell, I'm moving it around, but getting the best views right now. I'm able to zoom more than I did with my other camera. This is just fantastic. The color is awesome on this camera. But I just love seeing the loading station where the cars are going to be. Can you imagine how busy it's going to be? There's going to probably be a 4 or 5, 6 hour wait just to get on this Giga Coaster. Hopefully it'll be done by May, but I'm not sure exactly when. There's been rumors about the 15th of May or the end of May, but I don't like to speculate because I want to know exactly when it's going to be done so I can give you guys the accurate time frame when it's going to be open. So I know you guys are going to be excited to ride it, and I'm looking forward to riding it too. So anyway, I'm going to get ready to get back down and we're going to go walk around the park and see what's going on in the park today. Just came out of Ever Smile, which is a haunted attraction that's going on until May. of 2026. People are screaming. They are running out the doors. It's a lot of fun. I didn't get to do it at Fright Fest last year, but I decided to go through it because it's still available. It was a lot of fun. The people in front of me were screaming like crazy. They were almost knocking each other down, and I've been watching the people come out of the exit and they're just like running crazy. So if you guys want to see Eversmile, hurry up and go, because we've only got like, what, 2 more weeks until May. And you guys got to come and see it. Leftover from Fright Fest 2025. Here we have another shot of Tormenta, looking good at sunset. So massive. Looking really good there. I'm having a really good time here at Six Flags Over Texas on this Sunday the 19th of 2026. It's not that many people here today, which is really nice, not too crowded for the rides. Some of the rides are down for reconstruction or refurbishment, but I'm sure that they'll be up hopefully by May. I was going to take you guys into the trading post to show you through the windows. You could see Tormenta. When I was here last month on the 15th, I filmed inside through the windows. You could see Tormenta there, but I went inside just now and they have blocked it. I don't know what's going on, but I think they're building that new restaurant, that Abuela Cocina, and it's going to be really great food, I've heard. Like I said, I'm looking forward to it because I love Spanish food. I'm a big fan of Spanish food. But I hope you guys are having a great day. We're going to walk around a few more minutes and see what's going on here at Six Flags Over Texas, and come and check it out with me. We're going to continue on walking around. here's the big question that everyone is asking. Now that Tormenta is getting completed and getting close to being finished, what about the railroad? When is that coming back? We'd love to know when the railroad is coming back. Love to ride the train. I've never been on the train, so I'm definitely looking forward to the train. When do you guys think the train is going to be coming back? It's really important for us to have it. I know there's still a lot of work to do, but I can't wait till the train is open. We've got to have it now. We've got to have it.
Ben and Jerry's.
Well guys, I'm getting ready to get out of Six Flags Over Texas, but I hope you've enjoyed walking around with me. We did get to go through Ever Smile, which is a haunted house left over from Fright Fest. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Love seeing everybody get scared, running out of the building. That was fantastic. People were running for their lives and screaming like crazy. We got to go up the oil derrick today and see different views of the new Giga Coaster Tormenta. Still not able to say exactly when they're going to open it up, but I know it's going to be opening up really soon. We've got the World Soccer coming here to Arlington, Texas, and they've definitely got to have it ready, and I know they will. Just a big shout out to all the people that have done the construction in such a short time. You guys are amazing. We walked around today and we got to see a little bit of the park here and there, and we got to visit the Mexico Pavilion section. We got to see more of Tormenta from different angles, and we got to see the Mexican dancers dancing their hearts out for us. Love Mexican dancers, and it's just beautiful, beautiful people. All right, you guys, you take care. Like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm putting out my next video. Till then, remember, we only have one world. Treat each other with respect and kindness. We need a lot more of that in this world. Everyone, we are brothers and sisters. Let's show respect to each other. I love you all. You take care, and thanks for subscribing and walking around with me today. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care for now, and God bless you.